section of plastic. Today we will learn about how plastic is made and how it affects our environment. By Jason Salgado, Brianna Lucero, Ashley Taylor, and Monica Gonzalez.
Your name would be in the top five.
I'm focusing on marketing.
Step 1. Mine it.
Plastic is made from oil. A hole is drilled into the ground to extract the oil. A pump jack is used to pump the oil to the surface.
Different pump jacks.
So I'm on my way home and I drive past downtown. And I see it on the Staples Center sign.
Through a pipeline that are sometimes thousands of miles long.
Step 2. Manufacturing.
Once the oil gets to the factories, it is put into an oil refinery. The oil is then processed to many types of fuels and chemicals.
The oil is also processed into polymer pellets. The polymer pellets are then further processed.
Step 3 is the production to plastic. Now they go through polymer pellets, which are called machines, and these machines process the liquid plastic into a bottle. Many times producing the bottle will make toxic gases known as greenhouse gases that would trap solar light and convert them into solar energy, which causes heat. In order to satisfy their customer, they need to be able to contain liquid waters. This may be stored in any way and sufficiently stored. Now, I will walk you through its effect number 1. Its effect number 1 starts with a factory that produces plastic. As you can see, this causes large levels of dissatisfaction to the people because factories produce a lot of carbon dioxide and toxic pollution to making plastic. Later then, the factories, as you can see as drawn above, are filling the atmosphere with N2O and CO2, causing many birds or any flying animals above the clouds to suffer from toxicity and many toxic gases that already create heat are accumulated. This is the sun, and here are the order of the planets, and that is Earth. Then the sun rays of the sun are attracted to more because of the greenhouse gases. And therefore, solar waves, or solar energy, is more attracted due to the high levels of carbon dioxide and N2O. This makes our planet warmer, causing global warming. This is a picture or drawing of the Earth's atmospheric and ozone layer. That's the atmosphere.
Oh, looks like a dome.
And those are where the gases are stored. Under, I will draw the continents of the Earth. And then I will color the oceans, providing a more logistical view of the Earth. Now, we're going to start drawing the radiation waves, as you can see. That radiation is attracted by the solar waves. And because of that, now many gases will start to react, as you can see in the dots, starting to react violently and a lot more efficiently and more rapidly. Then later, the heat is thrown down to the Earth. Now, I will walk you through its effect number 2. Just ask yourself, what is something you can do to stop this? Now again, I will draw another atmosphere, the world, and more radiation, but more viewful, as you can see. More expanded view of it. That's the radiation getting down on the Earth, which is, for example, 91 degrees Fahrenheit, which is very hot, considered a summer-like day. And many people are dissatisfied with all this heat, saying, oh no, it's very hot. And that is true, because of global warming. I'm going to walk you through its effect number 3. And this one, I drew a cloud because all the gases are accumulated and later then attack the Earth in the form of lightning. Here I am drawing glaciers. Here I am drawing glaciers on the ocean that are melting because of global warming. And because these glaciers are there, they will later then call a sea level rise because of the glaciers that expanded through. And because of the heat, glaciers will melt, causing water levels to rise. Because of water level rising, it poses a potential danger to wildlife animals, causing them major floods and having to relocate and move into another habitat, which they have to adapt to many other temperatures and weather and wildlife species. They'll have to adapt to those new changes in their surroundings, and they'll have to move away, sadly. Imagine this. Hundreds of thousands of animals are yearly relocated because of glacier melting caused by global warming and the production of plastic. Poor innocent animals having to relocate for the necessities of the human being, and are also not only consequently having to relocate and immigrate, but also are polluted, and with high levels of toxicity, most animals die because of carbon dioxide and many other toxic gases. And because of high levels of water, there is more condensation and precipitation, causing now, apart from the flood of glacier melting, there is more rain poured down on the Earth.
And migrate over.
Sadly, this destroys potentially our wildlife and our nature. This is a picture of a demonstration of how the New York or Manhattan might look like if the sea waters rise. The city will be gladly affected. And this is a picture of London under new. Please join the global warming prevention cause to save wildlife and animals that destroy our planet and economy. With your help, you will definitely help the country. Thank you very much. And this public service announcement has been served to you by Ashley Ortega, Brianna Lucero, Monica Gonzalez, and Jason Salgado. Thank you very much.